Let me tell you why I'm making this face, and the reason is Creative Fabrica. They have tons of crafting lessons on their website, but also tons of SVGs that come with a commercial license. So I decided to do this seamless pattern Easter design, and I decided to try armor etch for the first time, which if you didn't know, armor etch essentially etches glass. So you just reverse weed your design on some temporary adhesive vinyl, which is what I'm doing here, so satisfying. Also, isn't this egg design so darn cute? Sidebar, that's what I love about Creative Fabrica, is it really encourages me to try something new, which is what I'm doing with the armor etch thing, because I've never used it before, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, got out my tumbler and I just put my little reverse weeded designs on it. Again, so satisfying. Hang on, I'll let you listen. Okay, on that note, it's time for the armor etch. So I just painted it on with a little paintbrush and I tried to put it on thick because that's what it says to do on the bottle. Then I let it sit, then I burned myself. It says warm water, but that was a little too hot. Then I rinsed it after letting it sit for about 3 minutes and I peeled off all the stickers. Then I got a little bit obsessive and it wasn't perfect, so I went back with a tiny paintbrush and I got a little crazy and decided to try to go back over all the lines. The second time, it came out much better. I give it a 10 out of 10, but definitely painted on thick.